Today we're going to take a look at the SE Electronics Dynamite DM-1. This is what it looks like. I'm using a Shure SM7, which is a fantastic microphone. It's one of the best I've ever used, especially for voice. It's like I have zero processing on my voice now. It sounds great no matter what I do with it, so it's perfect. However, there is a small issue with this mic. It's really, really difficult to drive it. It's going to require a very beefy preamp to get sound of it. I'm using RME Babyface. It's an excellent sound card, which provides up to 65 decibels of gain, I think. And I was running 60 plus to get this one working properly. And it works, but I found a little error with my setup because I'm using this arm here. So I got quite a long cable running below my desk all the way over to my sound card. And this is one of these desks that you can increase the height up and down if you want to stand up and work. And that means that there's electricity here. And this cable runs close to the power system of the table. And then I noticed that most, if not all of my previous videos, there's this, when I'm quiet, you can hear this electrical noise in the background, which I found very annoying. And I thought there might be something wrong with my cables or my mic or something, so I did some testing here. So I just connected the mic straight to the sound card with a short cable, and the noise was gone. So my guess was I'm getting electrical interference from this system because I'm gaining the signal an insane amount, like 60 decibels. That's like 1 million times increase. So if you got a little bit of noise in there, you're gonna boost that noise up really good. And that's what happened to me. So I got this. It comes in a really cool package, by the way. Dynamite. It's a bomb, this one. It delivers 28 dB of explosive gain, dangerously low noise design. I'm just reading here. Reduce volume to prevent blowing up your speakers. It put a smile on my face. It's pretty funny. And it's also an excellent product, it turns out. Because now I got a short cable straight from the microphone into this one. You turn on the 48-volt phantom power to get this thing running. And it boosts the signal here by 28 dB. And that means I got a much stronger signal coming through my cable. So that means I can reduce the power on my preamp, so it's below 30 dBs of gain now on the sound card, and that means I will not increase that noise that I picked up. And now the sound quality is excellent. When I'm quiet, it's dead silent. And that's because now I'm sending a hot signal all the way to the sound card. Very satisfied. It does exactly what I hoped it to do, and it's a very good product. And it actually looks quite cool as well. So now I'm just gonna stow it away and redo the cable management to get a really nice solution here with a Dynamite. And if you're using the Shure SM7, you might need to get one of these anyway, because it's not all sound cards can boost the signal by can drive this bad beast, because it's it requires a lot of gain to get it running. Anyway, in today's video, I'm wearing gray, white, blue, and brown, which turns out to be a really good combination. This gray, very casual jacket, white shirt gives it a formal look. I have pants, beige, and then I've got socks, blue with some white on them. So you get the shirt's white here, and then there's dark blue, light blue, which comes again here in the pocket square with some dark blue, light blue, and white. The lapel flower is some white, it's light blue, and it's also a splash of green, which comes in my eyes again. And then there's brown. I got it brown in my beard. I got it here on the pocket square, a couple of shades of brown. And then the belt. Pair it with a pair of brown shoes. The watch, silver metal here. Also silver here. So it comes again. And then there's this little wooden watch with some wood finish, which actually goes quite well, harmonizes with the pants. So I think this outfit turned out really nice because every single color comes several times in various places, and that creates a really harmonious look that just feels great to wear. And there's another thing with this outfit, there is no vivid in your face colors. They're all quite soft, laid back. So it's not shouty, this outfit. It just works. See ya.